Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G. So in order to do this, let's open up our Play Store. Next is to search for Firefox. Select it and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. From here, start customizing the app. So pick your theme, toolbar placement, change always on privacy settings, synchronize Firefox between other devices, read the privacy notice, and finally click on start browsing. Now let's open up any website, and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.